What's in my Homeschool Mom Survival Kit? Today I'm going to tell you. I do have tangible and non-tangibles in my survival kit, and I really believe that we need both of them in order to survive as a homeschool mom. Before I get started, I want to thank Anna for just making it work, for hosting this collab and bringing us together to share with you our individual homeschool mom survival kits. Please make sure you check out Anna's channel, which I will link down below. I had the pleasure of meeting Anna a couple months ago, and I am so thankful for it. Talk about an absolutely genuine, loving lady. Anna is that person. You need to check out her channel. She's all about helping mamas become more efficient in their lives and giving them ideas to just make it work. So please check out Anna's channel as well as the playlist, which I will have linked down below, so that you can get all types of ideas for your homeschool mama survival kit. Number one in my survival kit is my planner. I do like a really simple planner, and this is it. But use whatever works for you. Simple, complex, flashy, digital, whatever is best for you. Reverse planner. Whatever works for you, use it, but I definitely recommend having a planner. Number two in my survival kit is Teachers Pay Teachers. I love Teachers Pay Teachers. You need a really quick free activity for a holiday? Teachers Pay Teachers. You need something to enhance while you're working on biomes? Teachers Pay Teachers. You need reading comprehension sheets? Teachers Pay Teachers. I love them. There are so many resources. I do like to print out what I'm going to use in the year and put it in a binder so that I already have it printed and I don't have to worry about it. But that definitely doesn't mean that I forget maybe on some holidays and I rush there to see what is available for free. Teachers Pay Teachers. Number three are Boredom Busters. What can we do to make this day better? What can we do to get out of the funk? Do we need to go outside with our sidewalk chalk and do math? Great idea. Do we need to have a dance party? Should we put on Spanish songs and dance? How about writing the alphabet in the air? How about calling out a caller and racing to go touch it? What else can we do for just boredom busters? Nature walks. What if it's cold outside? What can we do inside that is fun, easy, and just breaks up the monotony some? So I always try to have a list and boredom busters in my back pocket. Number four are snacks. We need snacks. Whoops. So snacks are great. I always try to have things that are somewhat healthy in snacks, like we do freeze-dried fruit, honey grams, granola bars. We normally have some kind of beef jerky or something in there, but it's something that is not just sugar, but snacks. So snacks are definitely part of my survival kit. Number five. This is extremely important, and that is my tribe. I have to have a tribe as part of my survival kit. My tribe can include someone who I just need to call and let me vent, and they don't say, well, why are you homeschooling anyway? Or maybe this isn't for you, but just let me vent. And sometimes they can offer advice and sometimes they can just listen. My tribe also includes people who can give me ideas. My tribe will include sometimes, a substitute teacher. Sometimes I need a break. My tribe includes that. The number one person in my tribe happens to be my husband, who I refer to as the principal of our homeschool, and he supports me, and I'm really appreciative of him. Before my survival kit, I definitely recommend finding a tribe. Your tribe does not have to be big, but they do need to be supportive. So number five is tribe. Now number six, and this one is really kind of hard for me, but it is the ability to let go. The ability to say, I have tried my best. I have done what I know to do, And this is the best that I can do. And I really had to come to grips with this one with my daughter in writing. She does not love writing, and that's okay. She doesn't have to. But I had to let go of that need for her to love it and the need for me to keep trying different things that would eventually get to the point where she loved it. She was wonderful at it. She couldn't wait to write every day. And that's not going to happen. But I had to let go. So that is the 6th thing that I have in my survival kit for my mental survival, is the ability to let go. Now, I still try really hard, and she's still learning how to write, and she's still going to have to do it because you need to know how to write, but she doesn't have to love it. And I had to let go of my need for her to love it. That is my Homeschool Mama Survival Kit. Again, thank you so much to Anna from Just Making It Work for hosting this collab. Please be sure that you check out her channel as well as the playlist to get great ideas for what to include in your survival kit. If you are interested in more information about what I use and what I consider my favorite resources for homeschool, please check out here.